All right, we're going to be learning this song, and we are playing it in the key of B. This song was redone by Elder Awortwe, or Deacon Awortwe. So okay, so you're going to be playing 1, 7, and then to 6. Then you do a 2, flat 5 to 5. Okay, now the 5, I'm playing a suspended chord. Then you do this 6, but you add the octave. That's 4. Then you play 5/4. Then you do a 3 to 6. Where the flat 5, then to the 5 again. Alright, so that's the song. It's as simple as that. Let me try and see if I don't get any copyright. Alright, so that's the whole song, and it's simple. 1, 7, 6, then you move to 2, flat 5, then to 5, then you do a 4, 5, 5/4, and then 3 to 6, then you move back to 2, and then 5, and then back to 1. All right, so that's it. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.